Hello YouTube, my name is Peter. I run a small 3D print business out of my garage. I currently have the Anycubic Cobra 3 combo. I also run the FlashForge Creator Pro. One's for TPU, the other's for ABS. The Cobra 3 is just for PLA. So my goal is to start my own 3D business. I'm about a month old on Etsy. I've got about 4 or 5 sales on there, so it's a learning process. So you can kind of follow along, learn as I go, see how we progress. Some of the things I have on my Etsy store that I've printed. We got one of my dragons, some keychains, some eggs, Valentine tic-tac-toe, some DeWalt tool holders, and of course I have some minis and some dinosaurs. And right now I'm currently printing a stone dragon. Got 7 hours 44 minutes left, so I'll see how that turns out in the morning. Don't really know a whole lot about 3D printing business. I've been around 3D printers for a long time. I think I got my first one in 2017, I think it was, maybe even earlier. I started off with a TiVo Tornado from Amazon. It works. I actually still have it. I've learned a lot from, I've watched a lot of YouTube, a lot of creators starting their 3D businesses. And as I learn through my journey, hopefully I can relay that to others looking to start their own 3D printing business. Well, good morning YouTube. It's the next day, and just checking on my print here. And there's still just under an hour left of it. And it's done. About the last 2-3 minutes of it, I had to put some tape on the block, on the purge block, because it was starting to move on me. Well, time to print out the wings for it. We'll see how these come out in about 2 hours. We got about 35 minutes left, and we can get these put on the dragon. And the program I use for my slicer is just the Anycubic Next. Essentially, it's Orca Slicer. Well, the wings just got done. They turned out pretty good. And there it is with the wings. They just snap in place, that's all. Gotta print the head still and the horns. Just printing out the horns for the dragon. Okay, the horns are done. After that, we got a little bit of stringing, but that doesn't take much to clean up. Now let's get the head started. And there's the head of the dragon starting to print. Still like 4.5 hours left. Well, there's the head on it. I gotta put the eyes in still. While I glue those eyes in, I'm now making some chapstick holders that look like tumblers. The lids are being printed on this side.